Have you noticed that you're on your iPhone, it's towards the end of the day, and your iPhone battery percentage starts to drop? And maybe it gets to 10% or 15%, and then it all of a sudden just shuts off. Even though you still had some battery life left, it completely dies before it gets to 0%. Most likely the reason for that is because your iPhone battery is not calibrated, or you've never done a calibration on your iPhone battery. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then tap on Battery midway down. From here, scroll down, tap on Charging midway down. And if you have charge limit set to say 80% or 85%, whatever you have on here, make sure to bump this up to 100% or just turn off optimize battery charging. Now, I would recommend having this just in general to have a charge limit of 80 or 90%, but just for calibrating your iPhone battery, we need to completely turn this feature off. The next thing we're going to do is tap the back arrow and then tap on battery health here. You can see at the top it says battery health is normal. So make sure your battery health is normal. If it does pop up with there's an issue with your battery, then potentially it could be causing other issues and calibrating is not the way to go. However, if it says normal, all you're going to do is swipe down from the top right and take note of the percent on your battery at the top right. So you can see I have 75%. I'm going to wait throughout the day and maybe even multiple days until my iPhone battery goes to 0%, completely dies. However, after that, I'm not going to charge it. I'm going to wait 2, 3, 4 hours with it completely turned off. The reason for this is your iPhone turns off when it drains to 0%, but it has some residual battery life left in there. It is not completely dead. So wait 2 to 4 hours after your phone turns off after it gets to 0%. Now, the next thing you're going to do after it dies and you've waited a couple hours is to get a charging cable, plug in your iPhone, and charge it until it gets all the way up to 100%. Don't unplug it. Don't use your iPhone. Just completely charge it and leave it alone until it gets to 100%. So after you've done that, you're not quite done, because after it does get to 100%, you need to do a force restart on your phone. So again, drain the battery life down to 0, wait 2 to 4 hours, charge the battery back up to 100%, and then do that force restart. I'll show you how it works. You're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. You can see it says slide to power off, but I'm just going to keep holding until the entire iPhone screen goes black, just like that. And then after a few seconds, you'll be able to see the Apple logo will appear. Now you can release your fingers and you've done a force restart on it and fully calibrated your iPhone battery. You can go back and set the charge limit to 80% if you feel like that is good for you, or 90% depending on what you prefer at this point. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.